Authentic Jericala, a delicious Mexican dessert recipe. This recipe serves 6 servings. Preparation takes about 15 minutes. And cooking takes around 50 to 60 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 1 liter whole milk, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 large piece cinnamon stick, 1 piece vanilla bean, 6 large egg yolks, 2 large whole eggs, a half cup evaporated milk, 1 pinch salt, to 2-3 liters hot water. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Arrange 6 6-ounce ceramic ramekins inside a large, deep roasting pan. Step 2. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine the whole milk, sugar, and the cinnamon stick. If using a vanilla bean, scrape the seeds into the milk and drop the pod in as well. Step 3. Place the saucepan over medium heat. Bring the milk to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally to ensure the sugar dissolves completely. Do not let it boil over. Step 4. Once simmering, reduce heat to low and let the aromatics steep in the milk for 10 to 12 minutes. This creates the foundational flavor of the Jericala. Step 5. Remove the saucepan from the heat. Take out the cinnamon stick and the vanilla bean pod. Let the milk cool for about 5 to 8 minutes so it is warm but not scalding. Step 6. In a separate large mixing bowl, whisk together the 6 egg yolks, 2 whole eggs, evaporated milk, and the pinch of salt until smooth and pale yellow. Step 7. Temper the eggs. Very slowly, pour 1 latte of the warm milk into the egg mixture while whisking constantly. This prevents the eggs from scrambling. Step 8. Continue adding the milk gradually while whisking until all the milk is incorporated into the egg mixture. Step 9. Strain the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a large pitcher. This removes any bits of egg or cinnamon and ensures a perfectly silky custard. Step 10. Divide the mixture evenly among the ramekins in the roasting pan, filling them nearly to the top. Step 11. Carefully pour hot water into the roasting pan around the ramekins until it reaches halfway up their sides, creating a Baño María water bath. Step 12. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes. The custards should be set around the edges but still have a slight jiggle in the center. Step 13. To achieve the signature look, turn your oven to broil for the last 3 to 5 minutes. Watch closely. You want the tops to develop dark brown or black charred spots. Step 14. Remove the pan from the oven and carefully lift the ramekins out of the water bath. Let them cool to room temperature on a wire rack. Step 15. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, before serving to allow the flavors to mature and the texture to firm up. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.